Well, welcome to Brad on Drums. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips for playing along with songs on the drums. And this is in response to a question I had from a student who emailed me. He said, I'm having a problem reading the music and playing along to a backing track. The music seems way too fast for me to keep up. I decided to do a whole video about this because there are several suggestions and steps I have for this problem. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I am Brad Allen. I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City who also spent over 20 years teaching private drum lessons, and now I'm doing my best to pass along all that knowledge to you. The first thing you need to understand is that playing along with pre-recorded tracks is simply difficult at first. As a matter of fact, I had to do quite a bit of this at the Military School of Music when I was in the Army Band. At that point in time, I'd been playing the drums professionally for several years, and even so, I remember that playing along with the recorded tracks was difficult for me, and it took a while to really get the hang of it. Here are 5 steps to mastering this skill. Number 1, first practice with the metronome. The recorded track is very rigid, so unless your time is very good, it's going to be difficult to keep up with the pre-recorded tracks. You want to be very comfortable playing with the metronome before you even attempt to play along with a recording. Number 2, learn to play the basic beat for a really simple song along with a metronome. A good song to start with is Beverly Hills by Weezer. The basic beat is very simple and the song is rather slow. Leave out all the fills for now, just play the basic beat. Number 3, play the basic beat you learned along with the recording. Again, leave out all the fills, just get comfortable playing the beat along with the song. Number 4, repeat steps 2 and 3 with other songs. Find songs that aren't too difficult at first or too fast. Learn to play the basic beat along with the metronome and then with the recording. Focus on relaxing and trying to achieve a good feel, even if you aren't playing exactly what the drummer is on the recording. You're really trying to just get comfortable with the type of beat that he's playing and comfortable playing along with the recording. As your ability increases, try more difficult songs, faster songs, etc. If you're having trouble keeping up with the faster song, try to figure out why. Is it just because you aren't comfortable with that particular beat, at that tempo? Or is there a specific technique you need to develop further? You may need to develop your stick control some more, or maybe your bass drum technique. If you need to develop your stick control some more to be able to play faster and keep up, I have a course that will really help you with that, and I'll put a link in the notes below. Now, after you're comfortable playing beats along with recordings, learn to add fills. You may find it's easier to simply improvise fills at first, just playing whatever ideas come out. Regardless, this is a good way to practice because this is usually the way you're actually going to play with the band. Your fills will probably be improvised in many or most situations. But it's also good to learn some songs note for note from a transcription. That's one of the ways to expand your technical ability on the instrument as well as your vocabulary, your ideas on the instrument. When you're learning to play a transcription, turn off the music in the beginning. Practice the written transcription along with a metronome first. Slow it down as much as you need to learn to play it, then gradually speed it up. Depending on how difficult it is, you may need to isolate certain sections of the transcription. Look at the whole transcription as one big exercise. So for instance, you might practice a 2-measure or 4-measure section over and over so you can really learn the fill. After you've mastered the transcription and can play along with the metronome, play along with the recording. On YouTube settings, you can actually change the playback speed of each video as you watch it. So when you first start playing along with the drum transcription, you may need to slow it down at first and gradually speed it up. One other thing I need to mention is that in order to be able to play along with songs on the drums, you need to be able to hear the music clearly. You need headphones that actually cover or enclose your ears. This will make the drums softer and make the music easier to hear. It doesn't really matter whether you have expensive headphones or cheap headphones, but the important thing is they cover your ears like this. As a thank you for watching today, I have a free gift I'd like to send you. I have 10 beats that every drummer needs to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It comes with a downloadable PDF and an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Again, absolutely free. Just follow the link in the comments below, and we'll see you for the next video.